So did you guys get a chance to finish the section 2 of the preparation, or do you guys want to go through that?
I was able to finish it.
I wouldn't mind going through a little bit of it.
Has you guys got 2 pizzas? Shit.
Boy, my computer's going so slow.
Yo, I haven't eaten in so long, I'm like not hungry. I fucking hate Adderall.
Oh God.
Yo, turn my TV down, guys. It's swearing.
In the same voice.
So do you guys just want to talk about like some of the problems, or?
Yeah. Let me pull up the stuff.
It's the L5 stuff, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Pepper, bacon, like a sausage and cheese.
Okay.
Alright, so you guys want to go through part 2, or do you want to start with part 1?
One of those pizzas.
Um,
One of those bacon ones.
let's just do part 2, I think.
Okay.
And that way we can, we can get this done a little bit faster.
Yeah, it'll go pretty fast, I think.
Yeah.
Bacon ones.
Let's just do part 2, I think. Okay. That way we can get this done.
Yeah, it'll go pretty fast, I think.
Let's
Who's got that echo?
Yeah, we got the echo again. Mike, you want to try putting in headphones and see if that clears it up again?
Yeah, for some reason I have to exit out my other tab from Google Plus.
Oh, it's because it's
it's
just playing. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're watching it while we're recording it.
Oh.
I had the same thing. So yeah, just hit pause on that, and you should be fine.
Yeah, I just exited out. So.
All right, cool. All right. So part 2, question 6. That's pretty basic.
a little too far.
So 10,000.
Um,
10,000.
Yeah.
So 10,000. So at least 1/3.
so what?
10,000.
You were saying that you were having issues with it, Michael. What are you having problems with?
Not really issues. I'm just
10,000.
not comfortable with that. Let's see.
What was that?
I don't really have issues. I was just.
Oh, okay.
I think if we do maybe some questions and maybe just walk through some questions, I think that'll be enough for me.
Does that mean we're gonna start the quiz, or?
I'm good either way.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start the quiz. If you guys want to pull up the answer key to lesson 5, it's got a lot of really good information about how to set up the equations.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that the quiz will be a lot like part 2, and so we can just look and see what equations we need to do.
Yeah.
And if we have anything that we need to try and figure out, we can discuss that. Like if someone's having issues with one of them.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Then I'm gonna go ahead and.
Okay.
So you started the quiz then?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Not quite there yet.
Oh man,
I'm starting it.
it's kind of a long one.
Oh wow.
How many questions is this?
18.
Woo!
I think a lot of them will kind of be over the same
Yeah.
questions.
I know I got 1 and 2 right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put B for that, right?
Yeah, there you go.
So the total area is 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it'll never drop below the x-axis, so
So false.
question 4 is false.
Density curve is symmetric.
Yes.
True.
Yes.
Area.
So C is the z-score.
Hmm.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 5 elements. Isn't it B?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's B.
Yeah. Thing.
All right. So within one standard deviation, it's going to be 68%.
Yeah.
So 0.68. Oh, sorry. Write your answer as a percentage.
Yeah, yeah.
Rather. Okay, so 68.
68%.
So just 68. Do we need to put the percent sign in there?
It says it doesn't have one in the parentheses, so
Yeah, so I'm not going to put the percentage sign.
Okay, okay.
I think we'll find out if we got it wrong anyway. So. Oh wait, 68, right?
Yeah, that's right.
98.
One person.
It's 0.683, right?
0.683. Yeah, that's the same. Isn't that the same question?
Yeah. It's just asking for a more precise answer.
Oh, that's. Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, so we just like go to the applet then, and
Isn't
Because it's
isn't the next one 95?
which number?
10?
Oh.
sorry. So question 9 is 0.683.
Yeah.
Because this is just stating the percentages. It's saying 68%. It's just we're just writing the rule down, right? Because then the next is the 95, and then the next one is 99.997.
Yeah.
I think you're right. Because, well,
So-
I'll pull it up in the applet and just see.
955, you said?
0.955.
It's 0.955?
Yeah, I think so.
It shouldn't be, or else it'd round up to 9.96, right?
But they said that
Accurate
when you
to 3 decimal places.
and it's 0.9545, so it'd be 0.955.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's for question 10, right?
Yes.
So it's 0.955 or just 0.95?
0.955, because it's 3 decimal places.
Oh, okay.
So it's 0.997.
For the next one, yeah.
Like, I know it's too, but it's just like, I wouldn't.
It's A. 12 would be A, right? And the values match.
This quiz is
Yes.
not that tough. Oh, just kidding.
So 12's A.
Yes.
I wasn't sure if it was that easy or not.
Yeah, I think that's. Oh man.
Oh. I'm just gonna submit it.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Alright, but this is just like the individual preparation assignment.
Yeah, I think so.
So this is like, what question is this like on the preparation?
Looks like
Just be.
So
It'd be like the baseball stuff, right?
number 6.
here, I can.
All right, so
You try this because I know how to do it. It's just kind of hard to explain.
6.
Let me type this out real quick.
Probability.
So I think what we have to do is we take the
All right, I sent a.
the x is like 0.6, right? 0.6
Yeah.
minus 0.66 divided by 0.07.
Yeah, and that gives you the area to the right, or
Proportion.
you need the area to the left of that. So
So it would just be
So is that the z-score that we just calculated as negative 0.85, and we just put that in the applet? Or is that the area?
because isn't that's the z-score, right?
that's
So,
the area,
oh,
So it'd be 0.14,
I think.
right?
.857.
Because for the z-score, you just take the difference between that number and 1, right?
Okay, so we're trying to find what proportion of the population have a protein requirement less than 0.6.
So this negative 0.8571. That's the area.
No,
That's a z-score, right?
that's his. Yeah.
Oh, and it's
I don't know. I'm confused.
So, but if you look at if you go to the individual preparation assignment, and then you find
Okay. So you that's the z-score, and then if you want to plug, you can plug it into the applet, and you want to find the area to the left. So if you deselect the one on the right, it gives you 0.1957.
0.1957.
Yeah, so 0.196 is the answer.
So it's 0.196.
Yeah.
Hold on a sec. All right, so explain that to me again. So we got the z-score of...
By doing that math.
Oh, and I was putting the z-score in the area.
And
No
it-
wonder I'm
yeah.
getting it wrong.
Yeah. And then at first it'll have both blue.
You just
areas.
deselect.
You just deselect the one on the right.
All right, so 0.196, got it.
I guess it doesn't matter. The area is positive no matter what.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
So then it would just be the area to the right on number 14, correct?
Yeah, it's 1 minus
0.196.
0.196, so 0.804.
0.804.
Yeah. The applet thing is nice.
Yeah, it is.
Super nice.
So is that rounded correctly if...
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, in fact, there's nothing to round. It's 0.804 exactly.
50.
Portion of the population is less.
So the mean was 0.6. Oh wait, no, 0.66.
It's 0.66, yeah.
All right, so we do 0.66 minus 0.7 divided by 0.07. Negative 571. 0.571.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Is that
Is it?
and then you got to do the same. You got to plug it into.
Yeah, so you plug it in there, and we're trying to find.
It's the exact same as.
Is the first one? Yeah, it's 13. Should
Okay.
be 0.716.
Wait. Sorry, what?
I think
I think I did that wrong then.
I might have. Let me double check.
No, I mean I did that wrong. I think that sounds better.
Oh, sorry, that's less than.
Wait a sec.
Okay, so the mean is 0.66, right? Am I remembering? Population mean is 0.66. So we do 0.7 minus 0.66. Is that right? Divided by
Mm-hmm.
0.7 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07 is 0.571. And so we want what's less than 0.571. So we select the middle and the left, is that right? Which is 71.6%.
0.716.
0.716, is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Trying to. Yep.
Sorry if that's what you said earlier, Lauren.
Yeah. Well, yes.
It's good it's good that we all get it though.
So this is where we got to do two z-scores, right?
Yeah.
So, because we already have the Z scores for both of these though, right? So we can just plug those in.
Yeah, I think, yeah, this is the same question still. For same values.
Yeah, so we need those two z-scores.
Well, the number 13 is negative 0.8571.
Yep.
And then the second one was. Ah, crap! Close that.
Yeah, I closed mine too. It is 0.571. So then what we've got to do.
How do you get it? How do you get it so you can put in both? Do you have to deselect them?
No, there's a different equation that we have to do.
Oh, so we can't just use the normal probability one?
No, because it always makes it the same on either side, I think.
Yeah, it
You just-
does.
So if you look,
Or if you deselect one side.
You subtract the two areas, so it would be 0.716 minus
6.
0.196. Am I doing that right?
yeah, you are doing that right. We made this a whole lot harder than we had to. So we already have those. All right,
What?
so okay, so the probability that it's less than 0.7 is 0.716, and the probability that it's less than 0.6 is
.196.
196.
So you
Can you
take
just
the
subtract them?
0.71 exactly 0.716 minus 0.196.
0.520.
0.520.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
easy.
And that gives you the area in between.
It's just the way this is worded kind of makes it
Yeah, it
a
really.
little bit more difficult than it needs to be. I mean, it kind of
you
explains
got.
it.
Oh wait, never mind. I did the wrong one.
Are we supposed to look this one up on Google, or is that an actual problem?
No, this is an actual problem. So the 35th percentile, like 0.35, is the area.
Oh, okay. But we're using the both of what?
Hold on, let me look at the other thing and get the answer key.
I actually like hate that this is taking like a whole entire day.
It really has though.
Yeah, I hate China.
Like, are you like rapping too much?
So are we supposed to be using?
No,
So-
no.
That's what I'm not getting. Is it like you use both Z-scores as?
We just put the 0.35 in there and then find out what the
What
these,
everything below that is.
yeah, right?
I think so. Let's see.
Because what? That's what I don't know. What data set do we use?
What's this?
Oh, okay.
I was like, who's on? This
Is
is
that
not
a
Mount Law.
library? Yeah, that's cool, dude.
I think if you look in the answer key at
You're about to cross that.
the
Number
very last question,
F.
F. I think that's what we've got to do.
There's like some like quarantine like.
So we find what the z-score of the 35th percentile is, which is
I don't know that, but I mean like maybe the full
With-
so
0.385.
Yeah.
Get big.
So you put in the area, you put 0.35 for the 35th percentile, and then you see that the z-score is 0.385. So then we've got to take 0.385.
From is it 0.52? We don't use that.
Well, now we have to apply it into this equation. So the z equals x minus the mean divided by standard deviation.
Yeah.
So the z-score is 0.385. And we've got to. We're like basically solving for x, right?
Yeah.
So x equals. What are we talking about here?
The game gives money.
So it'll be x equals something plus the 0.385 times the standard deviation, which is 0.07. I'm just not sure what the.
Yeah, I don't know either. What is that? So
What is that? That 1800, and the problem is the.
Z. No, it's
That's the. That's the mean.
is it?
Yeah. So
100
we want the mean plus the
Z-score.
plus the z-score. So it's going to be, the mean is 0.66 plus 0.385, which is 1.045, and then we're going to multiply.
No, you got to
that.
do multiplication first.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right. So,
PEMDAS, man.
all right, so it's the 0.385 times 0.07 plus 0.66. 0.687. Did I do that right?
Sounded right to me.
I got 0.687.
That's what I got too.
X equals 0.687.
Sweet.
And so then we would just substitute that out for the 80th percentile z-score.
Yeah, so we got to find, put 0.8 in the,
0.842 is the z-score.
so then we do kind of the same thing.
Oh, does that last one matter if it's negative or not?
I don't think so.
Okay.
It's negative 0.687?
No. It's positive.
Because everything will be within
Right.
1, right? There won't be any negatives.
Right. Yeah. No, you're right.
Okay, so the z-score is 0.842. So we take, was it the mean times the standard deviation?
Yes.
Or what?
I think so.
Or no, it was the z-score times,
mean times this
Oh.
z-score.
the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean.
Oh,
So 0.842 times 0.07 plus 0.66, so 0.719.
okay.
0.842 times 0.07 plus 0.6.
0.719.
That's what I
right.
got.
Yep.
All right.
Alright, I'm already submitted. 1 is right. 2 is right. 3 is right. 4 is right. 5 is right. Where am I? 6 is right. 7 is right. 8, 9, 10. 11 is wrong.
What?
12 is right.
It's supposed
13
to
is
be
right. 14 is right. 15 is right. 16 is right. 17 is wrong. 18 is wrong. Or right. 18 is
Wait.
right.
which
So 17
17
and
is 0.633.
and 11 is 0.977.
Oh, not 0.997.
No.
Oh, 0.977.
that's 0.977.
I still don't think
97.
that's right. What?
No, that can't be
I
right,
put
because
0.997 for question 11.
that's what we had.
It's saying that the answer is 0.977, but I don't think that's right.
Let me check the thing. So we want the 97.7. So, oh wait, sorry.
Negative 3 and 3.
That one we just plug in, don't we?
It's just 3. Oh, it's 999.
What?
That's what it's saying. If you put in the z-score of 3,
And then you uncheck the one side, it's 997.
oh,
So
I'll just email him about it. Let me see.
yeah, I bet that he just didn't uncheck one of the sides in the.
Yeah.
so we still think it is 0.997.
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
no way
but-
to.
Okay, and so that was 11, and what was the other one that we got wrong?
17.
It's at 17.
99 words.
So let's do it the same way, because we got 18 right, so it has to be right. So 0.35.
So what did you put for 17?
No Buddhist religion.
0.687.
All right,
And it's
so
supposed to be 0.633.
Yeah, that's what I have is 0.633.
All right, so let's
So
let me just do this real quick and see. So 0.385 times 0.07 plus 0.66. I still get 0.687. So what am I doing wrong here?
Maybe negative?
Yeah, what's that?
Oh, it could be.
102?
Let's try that.
Yeah.
Here, I can try it this time. So what? Are we talking about question 17?
My face is so hot.
What's that?
Yeah, we're talking about question 17.
Yeah.
And you guys have 0.687.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
But you got 0.633?
I think I just typed in the wrong one. What did you get for 16?
16, we got 0.520.
And that's correct.
Okay.
The only one we got wrong was that one, those two.
So try in 17 with the negative.
Oh.
Yeah, so a negative z-score when you're calculating it. I don't know if that's even going to matter.
I can try it. So just to double check, for question 17, you want to try negative 0.687.
Or no, so we do negative 0.385.
Oh.
Because I'm thinking, because when you plug it into the applet, it's the blue shaded
Yeah.
is on the negative side.
Times 0.07 plus 0.66 is 0.633.
Sorry.
Oh,
Dude. Dang
Yep, so the positive and the negative do matter. 0.63.
we'll get them next week, boys.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, see, because that's what I had was 0.633.
Nice.
Come on, Michael. We got to share that stuff with
I think
us.
someone told it to me, though.
Come on,
Yeah,
Michael.
no,
I got
I
that one.
did.
Someone told it to me.
Pretty sure that it was a negative that we were supposed to do, but then I changed my mind because I didn't think it was the case.
Here, I'm going to submit it, and then I'll let you know what I get.
Yeah, it's still saying that one is supposed to be 0.977, but
That ain't right.
I'm like turning on my
because
face.
You're
the
so hot and you're cold.
yeah, it's supposed to be 0.997, not 0.977.
I don't know how to feel about this.
Yeah. I don't know
Oh, I can see
any other way to do it. I mean,
I'm nervous.
Wait, don't do it right now.
I'm so nervous.
Yeah, I bet you're right, and he just forgot to select one of those things.
Oh.
Whoever did. So, all right, let's I'll take a screenshot of that and I'll send it to him.
okay.
Do you have
Dude.
to do this stuff?
No. Hold up.
Yeah.
Serene, where's you? Are you done?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks, guys.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Good stuff.
I'll see you on Tuesday.
Yep,
Yeah.
Tuesday at 9.
All right, see ya.
Good night,
Thanks,
guys.
guys. Good night.
Good night.